Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be your tour guide and I'm going to explain you this video about the Andean region and its biodiversity such as economy, hydrography, and fauna and flora. Next. The Andean region is one of the 6 natural regions of Colombia. It is located in the center of the country, limiting to the north with the Caribbean region, to the northeast with Venezuela, to the east with the Orinoquia, to the southeast with the Amazon, to the south with Ecuador, and to the west with the Pacific region. It is made up of the departments of Norte de Santander, part of Cesar, Santander, Antioquia, Boyacá, Risaralda, Tolima, Caldas, Cundinamarca, Quindío, Huila, part of Caquetá, Cauca, Putumayo, Valle del Cauca, and part of Nariño. Next. Let's talk about economy. It is one of the most inhabited areas of Colombia with a 70% population, and the Andean region has the majority of the country's water resources, as well as the most productive lands for agriculture. Oil, emerald, salt, and other riches are exploited from its subsoil. Bogota, Medellin, and Cali, the 3 most populated cities in the country, are located in this region. Bogota's economy is based mainly on industry, commerce, and financial and business services. Bucaramanga is an important industrial development center in the country where its footwear and jewelry industry stands out. Cúcuta, border city with Venezuela and Barranca Bermeja, is considered the oil city. In this they make the largest refinery in the country. Pereira, Manizales, and Armenia are the main cities in the coffee region. Neiva, in the department of Huila, communicates the center with south of country and Posture in the extreme southwest of the country. Next. Quindi is the main city that connects Colombia with the Ecuador and the rest of South America. In the Andean region, there are more than 18% of the country coffee crops, mainly distributed in the coffee regions such as Caldas, Risaralda, Quindío, Antioquia, Valle, and Tolima, all of them designated to the cultivation since the region has a suitable climate and a very productive soil to produce food. Among these, we find crops of corn, rice, tobacco, cocoa, coffee, cotton. It should be noted that Colombia coffee is especially famous. The existence of all the thermal floors are low, a very diversified agricultural development. The products of the cold floor are grown such as potatoes, wheat, cebada, oats, hortalizas. The most prominent coffee growing areas are the north of the valley, Caicedonia, Sevilla, Quindío, Risaralda, Caldas, part of Antioquia, and Tolima. Banana is an important food product in the Andean region. The most producing areas are in the Valle, Caldas, Antioquia, Cundinamarca, and Tolima regions. Next. The most prominent livestock areas in this region are the north of the Cauca Valley, Upper Magdalena Valley, Antioquia and the Lower Cauca, Empatía Zone, and the Cundinamarca and Boyacá Highlands. In the savanna, this activity has become quite technical. The largest amount of minerals as a whole is found in the Andean region. Gold is found abundantly in Antioquia and Nariño, but its exploitation has been carried out with rudimentary methods. In Antioquia, there are the largest silver mines. Coal constitutes an enormous wealth in the Andean region. The largest deposits extend from Cauca to the Cauca Valley along the Cañon del Rio Cauca and in the eastern cordillera from Cundinamarca to Cúcuta and La Hoya Rio Cesar. The important product salt is found in the Zipaquira, Siacalí, Yaquilé, and Neumocon areas and in some places in Boyacá. Next. Oil is found in the middle valley of Magdalena and constitutes one of the main economic lines of Santander and in the other areas of Catatumbo and Zulia. Other important mineral resources are limestone, gypsum, copper, and mercury given to the topography of the region. The possibilities of taking advantage of the waterfalls to produce hydroelectric power has been very significant. There are 6 large industrial zones distributed in this region, such as Bogota region, Medellin, Barranquilla, Cali, Bucaramanga, and Cúcuta. Non-polarized regions, Bogota center first order, Cali, Medellin, Barranquilla second order. The tourist infrastructure is well complete with hotels, hostels, and ecotourism farms in each of the departments with favorable communication routes that allow us to explore these areas in a very easy way. Next, from the part of the hydrography, their most important rivers are the Magdalena. It is a fluvial artery that communicates the interior of the country with the coast. Its most important tributaries are Cauca, Saldaña, and Sumapaz. The Cauca River runs between the central and western mountain ranges, irrigating fertile areas such as the Paleti Valley, Popayan, and the Cauca Valley. The Magdalena River and the Cauca River that carry the waters of more than 500 rivers and 5,000 streams to the Caribbean Sea, but there are many more rivers, also mighty, such as the Caquetá and the Brija, the Putumayo, the Sinú, and the San Jorge, and Sumapaz. In the western mountain range, it is located in the fluvial start of the Caramanta Hill, where the San Juan Chocuano and the San Juan Antioqueño are born in the Atrato River and Risaralda. The Colombian Massif is formed by 362 lagoon bodies in the high mountain, 13 paramos and ecosystems with high biodiversity. Next, important rivers are born in the paramos such as Patia, the Rio Cauca, and the Magdalena River that cross Colombia from south to north. This region is highly threatened by extensive cattle ranching and the expansion of the agricultural frontier. Its diversity transcends the biological, also becoming the place of different indigenous people, such as the Conucos, countries, and Yanacones. Next, the fauna and flora. The most emblematic bird of this region is the condor, although there are hundreds of species such as green toucans, hummingbirds, cockatoos, partridges, larks, cranes, and storks. Other animals that live in this Colombian area are the squirrel, wild rabbits, curries, farras, foxes, deer, caterpillars, night monkey, howler monkey, critter, eagle, paramo tapir, and wild animals such as jaguar, anteater, peccary, tapir, puma, sloth bear, and armadillo. Next. The spectacled bear was considered that in all South America there were about 18,215 speckled birds in the wild. Most of population is found in Peru, followed by Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, and Venezuela. It has been intensely hunted by man because it is considered a danger. However, it has been a totemic animal for many original ethnic groups. And in these cases, such groups avoided hunting and fulfills important ecological functions such as a predator and pollinator seed dispenser. Next, the mountain tapir is most threatened species. There was a 20% chance that the species will have become extinct by 2014 due to fragmentation of its habitat. The remaining populations may have fallen below the level required to maintain genetic diversity. The three zoos that house these species are working to ensure that the remaining wild population of mountain chapels are protected. The condor is the typical animal of the Andean mountain range. It is the bird with the largest wingspan in the world. Thank you.